Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own Christmas morning chai latte from Dutch Bros. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I love Dutch Bros, and honestly, I see myself spending a lot of money on there. So I decided to look up how to make the Christmas morning, because that is what I get every time I go. I either get it cold or I get it hot, just depending on what I want, but it's usually cold, it's usually ice. So if you guys want to know how to make this recipe, then just keep on watching. So the products that you're going to be needing is, you're going to need a cup. I like to use these little mason jars. They're for 15 ounces. And then I do use a straw with this, just a metal straw. For the latte itself, I saw that it said the origin chai is the one that you need to use. So I bought this at Fry's. I believe it was like $3.50 or something like that. It was around $3 or $4. You're also going to need half and half. You're going to need white chocolate flavored syrup, and this one I got it at Fry's as well. Whipped cream and nutmeg to put on top. And you're going to need boiled water. First, I'm going to be putting the little package of the latte in my mason jar. Gonna pour that out in there. My kid is making a mess. Then it says that you need 8 ounces of water. I think I honestly fill it up almost to the 10. So pour this up almost to the 10 mark. Then we're gonna mix that. And it should look something like this. Looks like a coffee, right? Then we're gonna pour in half and half. Now this, it's all depending on the way you like it. I don't like the strong, like super strong chai taste to it, I guess you can say, because it tastes a lot like cinnamon when it doesn't have everything with it. So I'm just gonna pour, let's see. Until it turns like a creamy color. I'm gonna pour a little bit more. So now it's a little bit over the 10 ounce. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put in the white chocolate syrup. So I'm gonna put a whole spoonful. I think yesterday I did like 2. So I'll do 1.5 spoonfuls of the white chocolate syrup. And I'm actually gonna make it cold today. So I have my ice cubes right here. 2, 3, 4. I'll put 5 in there, just because it's really hot. Swirl it around a little. Second to last thing is to do the whipped cream. I like mine to go all the way to the top with whipped cream. And then, to finish it off, I'm going to put some nutmeg on top. And a drizzle of the white chocolate syrup. My straw. And there's my chai tea latte from Dutch Bros. I'm going to give it a try. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So bomb. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tiny mini tutorial. If you guys give this a try, definitely let me know, because I'm telling you, it's so freaking good. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification button so you get notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.